Hello. So today is 13th of June 2020 and I am in this beautiful forest in the city of Eupen. It's a German speaking city in the close to the German border. It's a German speaking city in Belgium and it's really good and known for this trekking and hiking trails. And I came here last year in March, the end of March, and I really enjoyed it. And I thought I should come here again. And now Belgium recently lifted the corona guidelines, so it's good to have some fresh air after a long time. So why I'm here? I'm here with some of my friends. We'll do a small trek. There is a big dam here, so we'll see that. But most importantly, I think I also mentioned in one of my previous videos, all these cities have their own beer. And last year when I came, I took some beer for like a review in my channel, but I was too lazy and I could not finish it. Like I never started it actually, and I had to throw it because it was too old and I was not sure if it is drinkable or not. So I today again I bought two beers. So I'll try to find a place and you know let you know how those beers are. But I think I still have the beer from last year which I took. It's in my home, so maybe I will also drink that and let you know how it is. But most importantly, it's good to have some fresh air after this corona thing. I was not able to go anywhere, but it's now Belgium is opening up. People are going out, and all bars are also open. So maybe I'll also go to some other bars and try some more beers. But yeah, let me try to find a good place to sit and enjoy the beer. And I will probably also show a little bit of nature here. The dam is, this time the dam doesn't have so much water, but it still looks beautiful. Okay, see you soon. Okay, hi guys, welcome again. What is today's date? Today is 19th. Yes, today is 19th of August. Um, Probably you saw the first part where I was in Eupen on 13th of June. I wanted to make the video on that day, but it was very hot and sunny and we were doing trekking and the beer was not cold enough. So I thought I'll come back to Brussels and then I'll start recording. So these are the two beers which I bought. By the way, I'm recording from my balcony. I wanted to record in some nice place with a nice background, but bear with me. Nothing exciting here. But yes, so these are the two beers which I bought from Eupen, and I want to try this and let you know how it is. Um, as I mentioned earlier in the video that in March 2019 I had bought some more beer, but I don't find them. Probably I threw them, so I don't know where are these. But these are the beer which I bought this year. So hopefully these are safe to drink. We'll start with Eupen. This beer is called Eupen, the same name as the name of the city. And let's see what it has. It's made from barley, malt is barley, and nothing much written actually. It's 7.5% alcohol. And what else? Okay, nothing much written. No EBU value, and it mentions it's better. It's best before October 2020. So I think this is good to drink. I'll start with this one, and I'm using my Saint Fulen glass. This is also nice beer. Probably I'll talk about this beer some other time. I have been drinking a lot of beer but not getting time to review all my exotic beers, but I'll try to give more time to this thing. Smells good. This is the beer. I'll quickly take a picture for Instagram and then I'll keep talking. The color looks little bit not amber but little bit reddish. Let me take a picture. Smell. It has a very strong smell. I think I mentioned, yeah, it's made from barley, so it has a typical barley beer smell. The color is also very good. I see some particles here. Hopefully this is good to drink, because I also have some more beer which are 1 year old and I was little bit worried, shall I drink it or not. And I checked online and people were mentioning that it's fine to drink a beer which is, which is there from a year, because it's all fermented, so there is no issue with the yeast, making poison with the beer and all those stuff. So okay, let's drink this, and if this video ends up in YouTube, then probably I'm alive. I like the beer. I'm not sure if what I'm tasting is the original taste, or I'm tasting a beer which is too much old, but it's not very strong, and it has a very slight sweetness to it. I can't think of any other beer which I can straight away compare with, but I like the smell. More than the taste, I like the smell. Okay, if I have to suggest this beer, I think I can suggest this one. If you are in UPenn, this city, you can try this. They also have a ginger flavor beer of UPenn. I remember bringing it, but I don't see it now. Probably I drank it or I threw it, I don't know. So if you are in UPenn, try this one and also try the ginger one, because I have not tried any beer with ginger. So I think that would be interesting. Okay, so I'll finish this and then I'll go to this one. Okay, happy drinking. Hello guys, so that day it started raining, so I didn't finish the second one, and today I thought maybe I'll go outside and complete the video. I am in this place called Congress Tower. I think it's made during World War or something. I don't know the history, but I will mention the name and you can search it. And the view from here is really nice, but today some festival is happening, so you might hear some music. But yeah, let's come down to the beer. I checked about this beer. I don't think this is from UPenn, because I saw this beer also in some of the supermarkets here. But nevertheless, let's try this one and see how it is. This here is called Bière des Amis, which is a French word which means beer of friends or beer for friends. It's a Belgian blonde, and this is how much alcohol? It's 5.8% alcohol. I bought this beer because the bottle looks really interesting. It looks like like a, something, some kind of medicine which you buy from a pharmacy. So it has a very vintage look. So let's see how it is. Bière des Amis. And I forgot the opener, so I have to open it with my mouth. I'm carrying this beer whole day. So this is what happens to the beer if you are not careful. Taste is good actually. So first of all, the color looks really interesting. It It is somewhere in between blonde and amber, and the smell is also nice. This is 5.8% alcohol, not to share. This has really interesting taste. Mm, I am not able to recognize what it tastes like, but it is tasting very good. And smell is also very nice. It's interesting. I have to research more on this. It's made with barley. So the malt used is barley. Maybe that's why the interesting taste. Anyways, so as I said, I don't think this is from UPenn. You can find this very much in any random shopping market in Brussels. So if you are in Brussels, do try this because this bottle looks interesting. Maybe you can use it afterwards for a flower pot. And the beer is also good, and the color is very unique. Okay, what else? So I have some more beer with me, which I bought from another city, and it's all sitting in my home from couple of months, and some beer which are like even 1 year old. So my idea is to drink all of them as soon as possible and make interesting videos for you. And also I'm planning a small series of videos where I will talk about interesting places to buy beers in Brussels, because many of my friends, they are asking which is a good place to buy beers, because in supermarket you generally don't get the special beers. So I'm also planning to make a series of videos on that, so it will be interesting. So I will be enjoying my beer, finishing it, and then I'll go for listening to some live music. So if you are in Brussels, come to this place because this is not very touristy. Many people don't know about this place, but from here the view of the city is very nice. I'll make a like a map location in my title. Cheers.